girls. So today we are going to discuss a case study. Okay. So this case study is all about a company. It is an industry which has an appointment for multi-fiber dye. Multi-fiber dye. So multi-fiber dyeing in the sense there are three types of fibers are in a particular fabric, that is wool and cotton and then polyester. So do we have any dye which can dye all the three? No. So there is no dye which can dye wool, cotton or polyester. So you have to select a suitable dye for wool, cotton and polyester. So for wool, what are the dyes which we can use? Acid dye and basic dyes. Among this acid and basic dyes are very bright in color and they get fixed very easily. Okay, so cotton, what are the dyes we can use? Reactive dyes, bad dyes, and also direct dyes. Okay, we will come to this later. Then polyester, we can use dispersed dyes. Okay, so now coming to this wool, when you take acid dyes and basic dyes, acid dyes, their fixing is very somewhat moderate fixing. Okay, basic dyes, they have bright colors and their fixing is also good. Reactive dyes, here reactive dyes are very good, fixing also good. Bad dyes, what do you nobody know about bad dye? Are bad dyes soluble in water? Insoluble. Be louder. Insoluble in water. So bad dyes are insoluble. So is the process very easy? No. You will make it the dye is insoluble in water. What you should do first? You should make it soluble. Okay. So you will make it soluble and then only you will go for dyeing. So this process is complex. It's not easy. Direct dyes. What do you mean by direct dyes? They are applied directly. So their direct application, but still their fixing is poor. Okay, so among these we will choose reactive dyes. So for wool we will choose basic dye. For cotton we will choose reactive dyes. And also for wool we can choose some natural dyes too. Okay. For cotton also we can choose natural dyes. But in all the cases natural dyes needs mordant. Because this company, they also want to have an eco-friendly dye with less chemicals. But when they prefer natural dyes, they have to go for modern dye. So they are just in a process of reducing the chemicals, not completely eliminating the chemical. Polyester we can also use dispersed dyes. Reactive dyes can also be used, but dispersed dyes only get fixed well in polyester. Okay, so this is how this particular multi-fiber dyeing process gets succeeded in the company. Okay, and they were able to overcome the problem of multi-fiber dyeing. Okay, so this was a very successful project by this dyeing team. Okay, so the fiber identification team identified the fiber, and the next phase was the dyeing team. And this case study helped them to dye the fiber, which is wool, cotton, polyester, in a very successful way. Okay, so this is how, whenever there is a problem, you cannot simply there is a problem, I will go to the next one. That should not be the case. How to face the problem, how to solve it, we have to go step by step. For that only design thinking helps us. Okay, design thinking helps us in solving the problem by different stages. Okay, how to make an idea, how to empathize, So when you select a die, we are empathizing. Okay, and when you, what else? When you make an idea, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, we are eliminating others too. We are making an idea. So ideating, and then you will make a small batch process. You will not go for the entire 10 kg fabric at a lot. You will go for a batch process. That is a prototype. And finally, you will come for the final product testing, and then the whole 10 kg lot will be taken, and the project is successful. This is how you should use design thinking in every phase of problem solving. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.